Hi guys, this is Mr. Gore coming at you with Screencast number 3 for this academic school year. The first thing that I want to draw your attention to is point number 1 on our agenda. Before you come to class tomorrow, make sure you go upstairs to the library and check out the Mac laptops. I've reserved the MacBook Airs for us for tomorrow's class. So please go up there, check out those laptops and bring them down to our classroom. Once you get there, I want you to get together in your group, in your 5 groups, and discuss the big question, which is what purpose do guiding questions serve during the investigate stage? Give that a quick discussion in the first 2-3 minutes of class, and then we're going to transition quickly into brainstorming guiding questions in a full class format. Essentially, last class you had the opportunity to discuss with your small groups some of the guiding questions that help you to better understand our significant concept and unit question. I want you to choose maybe the top 3 examples from your group, and you're going to share those with the rest of the class. Once we've done that, we're then going to move into NoodleBib citation activity, in which I will ask 1 or 2 of our class members to help lead us through the NoodleBib citation process to help us understand how to correctly cite our sources and then export our works cited page into a Word document that we can then copy into our Google Doc. And then after that, which I hope only lasts about 15 or 20 minutes, I will allow you to use the rest of your time to begin your research and start looking for sources. That will help you to complete your investigate report. Speaking of that investigate report, let's go ahead and take a look at our rubric. Again, I went over the task sheet or the task with you yesterday. I want you to read this carefully so that you have a good understanding of exactly what we expect you to do in this investigate stage. But I want to point your attention, for now at least, down here to the criteria that we're going to use to assess your investigate report at the end of this stage in the design cycle. Let's take a look first here at the 5-6 band. And see what it says so that you know what the expectations are. First of all, we're going to ask that the student clearly introduces the unit using real-world examples from their research. You will do that in an introductory paragraph, and hopefully you are going to draw on research that you have found in your investigate to include real-world examples of technology that's being used to save lives and extend our reach into dangerous environments. After that, you're going to outline a clear design brief that identifies all of the following requirements. 1, it's going to state the problem. 2, it'll state the solution. 3, it'll tell who the solution will benefit. And 4, why the solution is important. Then you will cite at least 3 varied sources using NoodleBib MLA correctly. You will list required and measurable design specifications for your solution and create accurate tests with clear benchmarks for success for each one of your design specifications. Shouldn't be new. I think you've been doing this all along in 6th and 7th grade. All right. Now that's for the 5-6 band. I want you to take a look at the rubric yourself and see how these are distinguished from the 3-4 band and the 1-2 band so that you can see exactly what level you're shooting for. Okay, post this up on Facebook. Please leave any questions in the comment box below. I understand that there has been some problem with our Moodle page, and some of the assignments that you submitted may have been lost. So let's discuss that tomorrow in class. I'm going to have a conversation with Mr. Kurtz to see if there's any way that we can rescue them. If not, perhaps I'll have you resubmit them again to me on a Google Doc. Okay, guys. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow in class. Make sure to check out those laptops beforehand. Okay. See you then.